We get the prices that we should expect for the OnePlus 6, and they're not as bad as we thought. LG is equipping its G7 ThinQ with boombox speakers that are promising apparently. And for those of you that are expecting a low-cost MacBook, you're gonna have to keep waiting. I'm Jaime Rivera, and believe it or not, there is actually a balance between rumors and news in today's video, oddly. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with Sprint and T-Mobile. I don't understand why this announcement was made on a Sunday at noon, but yes, both companies are merging, apparently with the whole purpose of having a more robust company to deal with the 5G investment that's coming. Apparently that investment is going to be up to $40 billion, and the whole valuation of both companies is $146 billion. They are confirming that there will be no layoffs, that the whole idea here is that they just want to build a bigger company to compete. Let's see if it pulls out. Now, for those of you that were expecting the low-cost MacBook that was supposed to be announced at the company's education event, well, don't wait for it for WWDC according to some trusted sources. It seems that it still will happen, but apparently later in the year, in the fall. And the price points are somewhere around $800. So I don't exactly understand what the whole low price point will be, but apparently this will be the refresh to the MacBook Air. Now let's move the spotlight over to BlackBerry. We can't wait to see the successor to the KEY2. I wanted to love that phone, but there were a couple of things that were missing there. For those of you interested, apparently something will happen soon. This KEY2 might bring dual cameras according to some leaked images, renders out there, and certification documents. Well, Snapdragon 660, 6 gigabytes of RAM. This actually seems like a compelling phone. Let's see what we get. Now, how about if we talk about LG? The company continues teasing what to expect for the LG G7 ThinQ. Now we notice that the company is apparently going to bring some boom sound speaker. And the reason why I say speaker is because if you notice the teaser, it's showing that there is some spatial audio coming from the design of the phone, but it's coming from one direction. It's not coming from two, which is definitely not what flagship phones do lately. But yeah, it seems that it will be this great audio. And you know, LG has been doing an amazing job in this department ever since the LG G3. So let's just hope it's stereo, or at least great enough to not make us miss that. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the OnePlus 6. We're still waiting to see when we get the phone, but we've got some teasers or rumors on the price tag. They don't seem too crazy. I mean, the previous rumors were talking $700 to $800, but according to trusted sources, the 64 gigabyte variant is going to start at $555, which is a small price hike compared to the current 5T. $600 for the 128 gig variant, and then if you want to go 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, apparently that'll jump to $700. But still, we've seen the rumors. Apparently we are getting water resistance in addition to other things that previous OnePlus phones didn't bring. So in today's question, let us know. If we are getting water resistance and a better design and all the things that we've been seeing in the teasers, would you be willing to pay these price tags for the OnePlus 6? In my case, I would. I've become a really big fan of these phones, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. It's actually free to subscribe. You can also watch the last week on Friday Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the P20 Pro camera down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.